If you found that your lights are not working, rather than calling up the electricians, check the light bulbs. With some of the old filament type light bulbs, they've got, from the light bulb itself, from the housing, there will be some wires going down and some little filaments joining them all up. Have a look in here, where as we turn the light bulb around, the filaments are not joined up. They're flopping away in the light fitting. Best thing to do is go and get some new light bulbs. Nowadays, light bulbs are the LED variety, although sometimes there are issues with those filaments as well. Not all the time, but sometimes. If in doubt, consult us. Consult your local electrician, and they'll be able to take your light bulb out of the light fitting, put in a new one. One word of advice when buying light bulbs, or lamps as we should be calling them: don't buy cheap. Buying cheap, you have to buy twice. If they break earlier than you expected, you have to replace them. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.